So here is just a quick demonstration of how to log into Schoology if you're having problems. Make sure you hit the install button there for the app. Of course, if you're an Apple, you'll use the Apple Store to download the app. And just wait for it here to install. Okay, now I'll go to open. Okay, and here's the crucial part. When you go here to select your school or domain, do not type in Oakdale High School. It will not allow you to log in. You have to type in Frederick County Public Schools. Okay, and you can see here it shows up at the very top. So tap on that option, and then you can see that you're taken to your login screen here for FCPS. Then you just hit sign in after you typed in your normal login and password for FCPS. And voila, you can access Schoology now. Make sure you press the little hamburger button at the top there and go to courses, and you can see all your different classes. So let me know if you have any trouble.